Welcome to a new All About. This is B95. We're starting with B95, B93, and B91. Very easy to blend. A very sky kind of blue. We're underpainting with BV23. On top of it, B95, B93, and B91. The bonus combination, I wanted a little bit of lightness at the end, like lighter. This is B60 at the end, B95, B93, B91, and at the end is B60. It blends really well. I have not used a lot of PC1024 blue slate. But when I started doing this, looking for a color that would actually match with it, I was surprised. Honestly, I didn't even know it existed. So this is PC936 Slate Gray plus PC1024 Blue Slate. And then it gives you the color that we are looking for, which is B95. We're flicking away with B95, B93, and B91 at the end. Remember, you're going to go slower so the blend goes very well. On the bottom, we're going to underpaint with BV23. I usually try not to underpaint with another B, but this one looks so good, the depth that you get with it, that I thought, well, we're gonna use it. At the end, B91. And now we're gonna go with the bonus combination. On the top is not gonna be underpainted, which is B95, B93, B91. Well, this is 93. And then on top, B91, leaving a little bit of space for B60. You see the smoothness? I love that. And it gives this kind of lavender end. We're underpainting now with BV23. B95, B93, B91, and B60. Remember to subscribe, like the video. If you have any questions, put it on the comments. I check every single one of them. This is all about B95. The natural family combination is B95, B93, and B91. We're underpainting with BV23. And the bonus combination is B95, B93, B91, and B60. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Do you love watching us swatch Copic markers? Do you want to make your own swatches? Head on over to violettaink.com/downloads, where you can download 2 different butterfly swatch papers. Check it out.